Well, as we go throughout the rest of the evening, it might look a little bit like this. Here's your time lapse from earlier today, and unfortunately, it just wasn't very sunny. We had those clouds sticking around, which kept us quite cool. And tomorrow might look like this in parts, but I'm hoping that we will at least see a little bit more sunshine. The satellite picture is going to show you what that looks like from space here, and we've got the low stratus clouds underneath what you're seeing here. These are the cirrus clouds coming over top, and those are going to hang on through much of tonight, so that's going to ensure that things do stay cloudy for at least the next little while. But as we go into tomorrow, well, hopefully things will be getting a little bit better. I still think we're going to have some clouds around during the day, but we could find some sunshine from time to time. So that's going to help us reach temperatures into the mid 60s and, for some of us, maybe some 76s, but I think more or less for Bryan College Station, we might top out at around 75 or so. And then by 8 o'clock, looking at 67 degrees with some clouds around. So as we head throughout this evening, again, expect the clouds to keep coming. Tomorrow morning, I imagine that those are still going to be in place. Perhaps not as gloomy tomorrow morning as what it looked like earlier today, but we will just monitor that one closely. And then going into the afternoon, some models like this one actually clear everything out. Now, I don't know that that's going to be the case because some of these same models said that was going to happen today. And well, we see how that turned out. So I'm not necessarily thinking we're going to see total sunshine tomorrow afternoon, but the hope is that we'll at least clear some things out and have a better picture by the time we get into tomorrow evening. And then here's Saturday, which should have another mix of clouds around and some sun, so it'll be a partly cloudy day as those temperatures will still be in the 70s. Wind speeds this evening, well, they're going to be picking up a little bit out of the south and southeast at about 8 to 9 miles per hour. And as we go into tomorrow, it'll still be a south and southwesterly breeze, a little faster now at about 10 to 12 miles per hour. Low temperatures tonight falling down to 55 for Bryan College Station, 53 for Cameron and Centerville, and 57 for Navasota. And tomorrow, well, these temperatures are completely dependent on how much sunshine we get, but I'm hoping that we see enough to get to 75 for Bryan College Station, 75 for Caldwell, and 73 for Franklin and Centerville. And we should see some more pleasant temperatures coming our way for the next few days before we finally get a chance of some rain in here on Sunday in the form of some scattered showers, followed by possibility of some scattered thunderstorms on Monday with a high of 77 degrees. So after that, we cool off. Very windy on Tuesday. Northerly winds at 20 miles per hour with a temperature of just 59 degrees, but we'll see some more sunshine by Thanksgiving. There's Thanksgiving for you. 66 degrees, mostly sunny. Should be a good one there. Morning lows in the 40s. Briefly back to 70 degrees next Friday, but after that, it does look like there could be some cooler weather coming as temperatures once again tumble into the 60s and even 50s for the following weekend.